In this video, we're going to look at installing Screencastify and upgrading to the premium version. Screencastify is a fabulous tool for creating screencast videos just like the one we're watching right now. So first, in your browser, go ahead and just type Screencastify. It'll be the first thing that comes up on your screen, so go ahead and click it. And then click Add to Chrome. You'll click Add to Chrome one more time, Add Extension, and then you'll get this pop-up window that shows you that it's been installed. This is what the extension looks like. From here, go ahead and click the extension. You do a little setup first. It's a really good practice to sign in with Google here because Screencastify will save automatically to your drive. Super handy and way faster than downloading and then having to upload. So click sign in with Google. You'll get this window come up. Go ahead and type in your Gmail account. There's a button that you can't see on my screen that says allow, so I'm going to click allow. And then set your permissions. You're going to allow your computer access to the camera and microphone, or allow Screencastify access to the camera and microphone and the drawing and annotation tools. So say next, and allow, and allow. And then I am an educator. Depending on where you are, I'll choose grade school. And now you're ready to go. So Screencastify has been set up. Now let's look at getting the premium version. Screencastify has graciously allowed educators to have the premium version through at least April 30th of this year. So click on the extension. And right here you can click Upgrade. From here, go ahead and choose Show Education Discounts. Scroll down to Unlimited and say Get Started. And then right here, click Redeem Coupon and put in the code CAST_COVID and say OK. Next, click Activate License. And there you go. No need to put in a credit card or anything like that. They're not going to swoop in May and charge you. You'll have it free for as long as it is offered free to all educators. It's a fabulous tool. In the next video, we'll look at how to use it.